I would like to demonstrate my project in pure data where I sonified earthquake data all over the world in one day from 9th to 10th of January 2016. I obtained the data from USGS Science for Changing World Earthquake Hazard Program. I sonified latitude, longitude and magnitude of all these earthquakes. On the right is overall control for sound of all three patches. Each one of them have their own as well, where you can turn on and off the sound, modify amplitude and frequency, and play and stop the counter or speed. I added volume meter as well, where you can see the sound levels. Sonification again, however, each time it finishes, it starts automatically.